Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Caswell County, southeastern Pittsylvania County, southwestern Halifax County until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Blanche, or near Providence, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Turleyville, Milton, Elmo, Altron, and Ringgold.